How to draw NFTs for free, easy NFT drawing. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can draw NFTs for free without having to even sign up. So let's get into it. Now, the platform that we're going to be using today to create our NFTs is Pixel Art. So it's Pixil Art. So Pixel Art is a free to use online platform that you can open up on your browser. You don't even have to register. You can just click on start drawing and then you can begin creating your NFTs. So to get started with Pixel Art, just go onto their website and you can open up a blank canvas. Now, the way that I'm going to show you to create an NFT, and I'm going to show you a couple of different ways you can go about this. Now, one way is to you can go on to Google and then you can search for whatever kind of NFT you're creating. So I'm just searching for an anime face, anime girl face, and you can see I have this kind of face, and I can just take a look at this. I would save this image, and I'm just going to save this as NFT. And then what you can do is that once you have downloaded that image, you can go back onto your pixel art, and then you can click on File, and then you can click on Open, and then you can click on your downloads, Open Photo. So we're just going to click on Open Photo, go into our downloads, and open up this photo over here. And now you can see I've opened up this photo. Now, what this allows you to do is that it creates a simple little pattern for you to follow on. So I can create multicolored hair on this face. So I can create a ombre hair. So what I would do is I would just go ahead and select the color that I want, take the brush tool, or I'll just take the pencil tool, increase the pixel size so it matches the blocks on the back over here. I'm just going to make a decent pixel size that would fit the blocks like so. So I think I'm going to go with 15 or 16 for the pixel size. So I think 16 will be good enough. And now what you can do is you can just stamp on these pixels over here to begin creating your NFT. You don't even have to stamp on if you want. You can just draw as you would, and then you can later on use blending tools that are available on pixel art to create your NFT. This is just one way that you can go about this. Now, there are other ways that you can create your NFT, and if you don't want to take a face off of Google it, or use a Google image to create your NFT, you can just click on File, click on New, click on your canvas size. So we're going to go with 20 by 20. And we're going to click on New Drawing. 20 by 20 lays out a large, it doesn't lay out too much of a big grid. The grid over here is not too big, but not too small. And what you can do is that you can start designing your NFT over here. So step by step, I have reduced the pixel size to 1, so it perfectly fits within our pixels over here. And now you can start drawing. Now, let's say I want to draw like a face, so I'm going to go with the pencil tool. I'm going to take the black color from here. On the bottom right, you have your colors, and I'm going to select black. And first off, I'm just going to begin creating our eyes. So I'm just going to go back with this, and I'm going to create the eyeballs like this. And maybe I want to add this as glasses over here like this. And now I'm going to add a nose. So this is basically a pixel art NFT. You can create a normal drawing as well with this platform. This is totally up to you. This is your personal preference. And now I'm going to add a simple outline for the face. So I think I'm going to go ahead and add the outline over here like so. We're just going to add our outline. And now I'm just going to extend it, and I'm going to add the head like so. So you can see I've created a base kind of face, and now you can fill it out with any background color you want. So let's say I want a turquoise background, then I can just increase the stamp size of my pixel, and I can just fill this out on the sides. And then you can later on create items like hearts or something along those lines to further decorate your NFT. So we're just going to stamp on our background first. And the best part about this platform is that it is available for free. So you can sign up if you want to, but you don't even have to do that. You just have to click on start drawing, and then you can save your drawing. So so I'm going to fill this out, and I'm going to go back with a black tool. I'm going to reduce the pixel size, add the glass frame once more, and then I can go with a pencil tool once more, and I can scroll down on the colors over here, and I can take one of these peachy skin colors, and I can start filling out the skin of my face, of the face that I've created, like so. I'm just going to fill this out because it is pretty much created the same way. A lot of people think it's super difficult or super hard to create pixel art NFTs or just NFTs in general. But if you have the hang of it once, you are easily going to be able to create them. So after I've added the skin color, maybe I'm going to add like a pink blush color. So I'm going to go into the pinks, and I'm just going to add this over here. And now you can see our character is blushing, and just like that, we have our NFT. And now all you have to do is save your NFT. So now once you have created your NFT, you can see I think this looks good enough. This is the look that I'm going for. I think this looks nice. Now what you have to do to download this is that once you are done, you're just going to click on download over here, and now you can download this drawing. You can save it as a pixel, you can save it as a PNG or GIF, and you can see you have different layers as well. And you can also choose the height and width you want for different dimensions. So you can increase the individual layers or frames, but I'm just going to keep it at the base model, and I'm just going to download this PNG. And now you can see I have my NFT downloaded. This is what it's looking like. Obviously, it's a 20 by 20 frame, so it's going to be very small, but you can obviously expand it. So let's say I want to multiply this by this. So I want to expand the size, and now you can download this as a PNG, and now you can see our entire NFT has been expanded. So you don't even have to create like a super large NFT to get started. You can just expand it later on, and then you can go on OpenSea, and then you can just click on create over here, create on MetaMask. So we're just going to upload this on MetaMask. We're going to wait for this to recognize our MetaMask wallet. And now you can mint your NFT, and you will be ready to sell your NFTs on OpenSea and list them. And you are going to be able to mint your NFTs with this platform. So we're just going to select the image. You can see this is the one that I have expanded. And now I can add the name and other details of my NFT to start selling my NFTs. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful and you are now able to follow along with these methods and techniques that I showed in this video. And if you found them helpful, make sure to share them with someone you might think that may need these. Share them with your friends, with your family, with your cousins, and share them with any business partners that you might have. And it might help you guys a lot to know all of these techniques and to follow along. And if you enjoyed this video, I would recommend that you please leave a like. And if you have any questions regarding this video, regarding any other video, or regarding any social platform, then you can definitely ask me in the comments down below, and I will try to answer as soon as possible, because that is the point of our YouTube channel. I want to show you guys on how to glide through these platforms and how to easily navigate and fulfill the purposes that you want to do with these social platforms. And if you have any details that you might want to know, any suggestions, any improvements that you think that I could add on to these videos, then please do leave them in the comment box down below, and I will make future videos according to those. And if you have any specific topics that you look forward to, also leave those in the comment box down below, and I will try to make videos on those as well. And make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out other videos. And if you feel like some other video might be helpful to someone else, make sure to share our videos with your friends and family as well. And if you find that there is something missing, I will try to figure out a way to integrate more accurate content according to your needs onto the channel. So make sure to tell me if you find anything missing. So that was it for today. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.